It's a beautiful day in Wrightsville Beach, and we're going to check out a brand new Boston Whaler 280 Outrage that we just received. Give you a little spec information on the boat first. The boat's 28 foot overall, has a beam of 9 foot 4 inch, and has a weight of about 9,000 pounds with fuel, water, motors, gear, etc. The given here on the transom, this boat is equipped with the twin 300 Verados. Great V8 power, great match for this boat. As you step up into the cockpit area, you have a freshwater shower. You also have a rear transom seat that folds down when you need additional seating. Fish boxes on each side, JL audio in each corner. You also have a great bilge area where all your batteries are, your pumps, everything's easily accessible, very clean and neat. Boston Whaler does an outstanding job in that area. Moving up towards the helm, you have the deluxe leaning post with cooler. You have a 35 quart Yeti cooler that slides out on a tray, live well, wet bar sink. When you move up to the helm, you see this boat is equipped in the seafoam gray, a really great look for this boat. This boat is a white hull with the black tower. Accentuates the motors really well. Moving up to the helm, you have the large Simrad display, all your toggle switches, Simrad VHF, glove box, digital throttle with active trim, Lenco trim tabs, joystick piloting. You also have autopilot and skyhook built into the joystick. Big electronics box up above, more storage, easily accessible, great place to put a life jacket and a throw cushion. Your access for the outriggers handles are here. As we move up more midship, you've got folding seats on each side. Great place for additional people to sit. This boat will accommodate 12 people. And as we look into the console, you have a very tall, very deep console with a vacuum flush toilet. Great place to store your table, keep it out of the way when not in use. You also see we have the weather curtains here. They go in on each side, store away when not in use. One of the best features on the 280, and Whaler does a great job, is this great console or garage seat. Spacious enough for two, armrest on each side. You also have a lot of storage underneath. You can put your bow filler cushion there when not in use. That goes here and fills this whole area in. You also have audio controls up here, cup holders, additional speakers. Moving all the way forward, you have a nice casting platform here, no trip hazards. You see how the cleats are recessed off the deck. Anchor windlass with remote and fresh water, so you can wash your anchor off when it comes up. You can control it at the helm or here in the bow area. Well, thank you for taking the time to check out our 280 Outrage. We'd be glad to show you this boat or any boat in inventory. Give us a call, 910-256-8100, and check us out on Facebook, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach.